Hi and welcome back to another Data Hub training video. In this video we'll be talking about the criterion column and criterion parts or arguments of our Google Sheet formulas. So what I've done here so far is I've just pulled in the Amazon traffic group by formula. I've used the default venue selector for the date range I've selected last month, and I've selected a few columns. So you should know how to do this by now. If you have any questions, you can refer to a previous video, but I'm pulling in the columns date, child ASIN, title, sessions, page views, and units ordered. That should all be pretty straightforward. Now there are a couple of arguments here, the group by formula and the order by formula. Those will be covered in a separate video. And I want to head right over to the criterion column and criterion arguments. So these arguments are how we filter the data in our Google Sheet formulas. So let's say I'm looking at this and I've got my dates and I want to look at only the rows of data where units ordered are greater than, let's say, 20. That's something that we can do. So if we come in here, I'll come over here. Now the criterion column, that is the column of data where we want to filter. So I'm going to put units ordered. That's the column that we want to filter. Then in the criterion one, I'm going to put what kind of the filter, really. So let's say greater than 25. I'll hit enter. And it's only going to show us the rows where units ordered were greater than 25. So that's how the criterion column and criterion arguments work. Sometimes it's a little finicky. You might need a space in here. And you could do less than 25, you could do more than 25, you could do equals, however you want to pull in the data, you can do that. If you wanted to look at sessions, you could do that, put sessions in here, and then any type of argument you want here, greater than 500 or less than 500, however you want. That is how the criterion column and criterion arguments of our functions work. So hopefully that makes sense. Again, the criterion column, you're just putting the column that you want to filter on, and then criterion is the actual filter. Greater than, equal to, less than, that sort of thing. So hopefully that helps. We'll catch you in the next video.